How do you, in your supply chain, enable the service when you are renewing your systems, when you are doing these projects of improvement? Hey, DDMRP champions! Hey. Woo! Stop managing girls! Hey, DDMRP champions! Look, this is Monument Circle. They are honoring all the veterans from Indiana, from all the wars. This is a meeting point as well as a big roundabout in the heart of this city. But they are in a workshop. They are renewing everything. So I cannot walk around and enjoy all this big monument. How do you, in your supply chain, enable the service when you are renewing your systems, when you are doing these projects of improvement? You need to have some kind of project of improvement that will be fast, going to simple, that enable all your team to increase their skills and understanding better the full end-to-end supply chain. How can you do that? The key is to do it with DDMRP, yeah! So when you want to renew all your supply chain and have results in less than 2 lead time and having a setup time in less than 3 months somehow, just call me, think about that, and stop managing chaos! Woo!